Imagine I give you two choices. The first option, I'll give you $1 million right now. The second option, I'll give you just 1 penny today, but that penny doubles in value every single day for the next 30 days. Which one would you choose? Most people would instantly take the $1 million. It sounds like the obvious choice. But here's the shocking part. After 30 days, that tiny penny would be worth more than $5 million. How is that even possible? The answer is something called compound interest. And once you understand it, you'll never look at money the same way again. Let's make this incredibly simple. Imagine you invest $100. If your investment grows by 10% in 1 year, you'll earn $10. Now you have $110. Here's where the magic begins. In the second year, you don't earn interest on just your original $100. You earn interest on $110. So instead of making another $10, you make $11. Now your investment becomes $121. The following year, you earn interest on $121. And this cycle continues. Every year, your money earns money. Then that new money earns even more money. It's like planting a tree. At first, it grows slowly. But as it gets bigger, it produces more branches, more leaves, and eventually even more seeds that grow into new trees. That's exactly how compound interest works. Now let's compare two friends. Meet Alex and Ben. Alex starts investing $300 every month at age 20. Ben waits until he's 30 to start investing the exact same amount. Both earn an average annual return of 10%. By retirement, Ben invested for fewer years than Alex had time in the market. Even though Ben may invest for decades, Alex's earlier start gives compounding much more time to work. The lesson isn't that you need to invest huge amounts of money. It's that time is one of the most powerful advantages an investor can have. Every year you delay means one less year for your investments to grow. That's why many financial experts say the best time to start investing was years ago. The next best time is when you're financially ready and have a solid plan. One of the best examples is Warren Buffett. He bought his first stock when he was just 11 years old. Today, he's one of the richest investors in the world. What's surprising is that most of his wealth came later in life. Not because he suddenly became a better investor, but because his money had decades to grow through compounding. This shows that building wealth isn't usually about getting lucky overnight. It's about staying consistent over a long period of time. The biggest lesson is simple. Compound interest won't make you rich overnight. But if you invest consistently and give your money time to grow, it can become one of the most powerful wealth-building tools. Start early, stay patient, and let time do the work. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.